Hello, I'm Cassie from the Brown Deer Public Library, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Cartesian Diver. Materials-wise, all you're going to need is a 2-liter bottle that has been cleared of its original liquid, and enough water to fill a 2-liter bottle, some paper clips, and packets of something that will float in the water. So the first step in making the Cartesian Diver is to fill up your 2-liter bottle all the way to the top, leaving 1 or 2 inches of air with the water. So we're going to do that. So if you're using a regular non-separational 2-liter bottle, this will work just fine. It's just that this one does separate, so all of the water leaks out. So I will instead be using a regular plastic water bottle. Then the next, which is already filled, so then the next step is taking your packet of something and then also a paper clip, and then just paper clipping one end of it, like so. And then we are going to fold it in half and stuff it inside of this bottle. Should float, and it does. So then what we're going to do is cap it. Working, we get the Cartesian Diver, and it looks like this. And if you have a larger container or smaller bobbers, you can actually make a multiple layered Cartesian Diver. And with that, all you would do is alter the amount of weight. So instead of putting like 1 paper clip on the packet, put 2, and then the one with 2 paper clips should sink first, and then the one should sink second, and go back up in the opposite order. So that is pretty much it. That's how you make a Cartesian Diver. Thank you for watching.